Howdy and welcome back to my channel, and welcome y'all back. Today we're going to root some golden euonymus. Now I cut some off, got it cut off already, so we're going to put this. We're going to root these. Now when I cut it, I noticed I cut all the ones that were just solid green. They are yellow, have splotches of yellow all over them. Golden euonymus does, but these are just solid green pretty much. They'll turn, have the yellow splotches sooner or later after they root. It's just the cuttings that were new cuttings that were on the plant when I cut it were green, most of them, shoots that I cut. So we're gonna pot them up in these styrofoam cups. I already poked holes in the bottom of them. So we use some of this soil mixture I made here before. Put it in here, fill these up with it. Alright, now I'm just gonna add a root 'em. There's a rooting hormone on these. I got about a dozen here, I guess, that I cut earlier today. I'll stick them here and see how long it take these to root. I'm not really poking no holes in it, I'm just putting them in there. So get them in. See how well they turn. I hope they turn out pretty good. These pretty neat little, pretty good sized bushes. Well, really. This might be a little long. It'll be okay. Now, after about maybe 45 days or so, maybe about 2 months, maybe 60 days, these should root. Should have a bunch of roots on them. Just add some water to them. Alright. Here is some golden euonymus. Some I rooted last year. I don't know remember how many cuttings I put in here. I forgot about these things. These are well rooted in. I'll pull one of these out and look at it. Here's some. Here's some of them I pulled out already that are dead. That I pulled out of this box that I dug out. But you can see how well these are. Look at the roots on this thing. It's been in there for over a year, since last year. Look at the roots on this thing. So, got a lot of perlite mixed in this soil here, and this mixture I made for these cuttings. Alright, well, I need to pot some of these up. So I can plant them in the yard. I'll put that back in there for until I get ready to pot it up here in a little while. Alright, well, I'm just showing, this is not really an update, I guess, because this is the ones I had from last year, but I'm just showing these rooted ones here. You can see there's 5 or 6 here. They've grown pretty big, though, in here. Alright, well, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment or question down below, and thanks for watching. Until next time.